standard 10th, subject science. Now we go through the revision. We almost completed 9 chapter in science according to our first term. We go through the revision. We take chapter number 1, chemical reactions and equations. In chemical reaction and equation, first we study about the how balance for the reactions. So when we write the equation, suppose Zn plus FeSO4 ZnSO4 plus Fe, we put arrow between substance, reactants and products. So here the substances are ZnFeSO4. Here the product will be ZnSO4 plus Fe. We count the total number of elements or we count the number of combination. Just like here the number of Zn will be 1. Here the number of Zn will be 1. Here the SO4 1. Here SO4 1. Here Fe1. Here Fe1. So this equation will be already balanced. But what about imbalance equation? Suppose we take the example of Fe plus H2O. When Fe react with water, or here the Fe react with water vapor, so the product will be Fe3O4 plus H2, liberation of hydrogen gas. Here you have to write the formula for F capital is small, O capital, 3 or 4 write in the basis of Fe and oxygen. Don't write just like this, Fe3O4. This will be wrong. So you have to care when you write the equation. So here, in the case of substances, we already write substances in the left side, we write products in the right side. Between substances and product we put simple arrow. So here we can count if the Fe will be 1 in product, here the Fe will be 3 in Fe will be 1 in substance, Fe will be 3 in product. What about hydrogen? Hydrogen will be 2 in number and oxygen in 1. Fe 3 in number, hydrogen 2 in number, oxygen is 4 in number. So we have to balance this type of equation. Well, the number of elements cannot be same. Number of elements or compound cannot be same in both sides. So we have to balance them. To balance them, how to balance them stepwise? First we put all the element or compounds in the boxes. In case of revision, we take the theory quickly, so we cover all the chapters. Because when we study about whole chapter, we take it stepwise, so we study it quickly, so we cover all the chapters for the preparation of first term. First we try to count the number which have highest number. Here we see oxygen have the highest number, so we first try to balance the oxygen. Here the oxygen, number of atoms of oxygen is 4. Here the 1. So we put here the 4 molecules of oxygen, here 1 molecules of oxygen. So when we try to 4 molecules of oxygen, we multiply it with 4. Fe plus 4H2O gives us Fe3O4 plus Fe. Here one thing is, again remember it, when we balance the element or when we balance the compound, we put any number before the compound. We don't write it. H2O4. So we put 4 before H2O. So here we can see the imbalancing shows in the hydrogen. See, 4 multiply 2, 4 2s are 8. So here the H2, not Fe. So here 8 H2. To balance the H2, we multiply it with 4. Plus 4H2. Here you can count it. Oxygen will be 4. Here oxygen 4. 4 2s are 8. Hydrogen 4 2s are 8 hydrogen. So when we complete the equation, we complete the number of ion. Ion will be left. So we put 3 before Fe. Plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Here again count the numbers. 3Fe, 4 2s are 8 hydrogen, 4 2s are 8 hydrogen, 4 oxygen, 4 oxygen. So this equation will be balance equation. We remove the boxes. 3Fe plus 4H2O gives us Fe3O4 plus 4H2. You have to care about the balance of the equation. You don't balance the equation, you will lose the marks. So you will be careful about the balancing equation. After complete balancing equation, we give the physical states for the equation. So we write 3Fe, Fe means solid metal. 4H2O, here water vapor can be occur. So we write G, small g instead of L. We write small l for liquid, small g for gas, small s for solid, and small aq for the aqueous solution. So Fe will be solid, it will be metal. So we write small s H2O. Here liquid cannot be occur because the water vapor can be occur. So we put H2O G, small g, Fe3O4 plus 4H2. H2 means gas. So we complete the equation with its physical state. Then we go through the another equation, which is another term which is called combination reactions. In the case of combination reaction, suppose we take the example of calcium oxide. When calcium oxide can be processed with the H2O, when we add H2O in the powder of calcium oxide, the formation of calcium hydroxide will occur. You have to write physical conditions for the compounds or elements. Calcium oxide, you give the also name for all the compounds. Calcium oxide, water, calcium hydroxide, when calcium hydroxide we process with the carbon dioxide which is present in the atmosphere, the formation of CaCO3 and the water molecule can be occur. So this will be called calcium carbonate. The mixture of calcium oxide and water can be used in the whitewashing for the wall. And when we whitewashing on the wall, the formation of calcium carbonate after 2 days can be occur in the sense of white. We also take another examples for combination. When we take C plus O2 gives CO2. It is also called the examples of combination reaction. So in case of combination reaction, what will we say? In case of combination reaction, one or two products combine together and form one or two substances here. If one or two substances combine together and form a single product is called combination reaction. Here see, the CaO plus H2O, CaOH twice is the example of combination reaction. Here C plus O2 gives us CO2 is the example of combination reaction. Here C again, H2 plus O2 gives us H2O. To balance equation we put 2B4H2 and put 2B4H2O. This is again another example of combination reaction. Two substances can combine together and give a single product. It's called combination reaction. Now go through another. What will be the decomposition reactions? In the case of decomposition reactions, what we'll see, we take example when we CaOH twice, when we take it CaOH twice and calcium hydroxide when can occur in the case of calcium carbonate plus H2O. When we give the heat on the calcium carbonate, CaCO3, it will be the conversion of calcium oxide plus H2O, CaCO3, calcium oxide plus CO2. O3, C, calcium 1, carbon 1. See here, this will be calcium carbonate. This will be calcium oxide and this will be carbon dioxide. Let's take another example. When FeSO4, when heat can be passed through the FeSO4, it will be converted into Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. To balance the equation, we put 2 before FeSO4. Here the condition will be FeSO4 solid, Fe2O solid, gas, gas. Ferrous sulfate, Fe2O3 ferric oxide, you have to write name for all the compounds. SO2 sulfur dioxide, SO3 sulfur trioxide. Let's take again FeSO4 ferrous sulfate, Fe2O3 ferric oxide, SO2 here, SO2 sulfur dioxide, SO3 sulfur trioxide. So what will be conclude after combination decomposition reaction? If single product or single substance can be broken down in the presence of heat and gives one or more products, or you call it two or more products. Correct it. Two or more products, it will be called decomposition reaction. Then you have to learn about the electrolysis of water. You have draw the diagram, all the points which will be taken in the session. You have to complete all these points. Electrolysis of water. You take anode, cathode, you complete all the process. And what will be find after electrolysis of water, we find H2O will be converted into two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. H2O liquid. After electrolysis of water, we have two gas, hydrogen and oxygen. In the case of revision, I can write direct the conclusion. You cover all the question. Another example for decomposition reaction is silver chloride, AgCl. When AgCl can put in the presence of sunlight, it will be broken down into Ag plus Cl2. Ag solid, Cl2 gas, AgCl in powder form. So we balance the AgCl to AgCl to Ag. Another example for it, in same case we take AgBr instead of Cl. Sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, we give Ag plus Br2. AgBr. So Ag and Br can be used in AgCl and AgBr can be used in black and white photography. Here the 1 marks important question is black and white photography. So what will see? The CaCO3 Ca gives us CaO plus CO2, FeSO4 2FeSO4 gives us Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3, 2H2O gives us 2H2 plus O2, 2AgCl presence of sunlight gives us 2Ag plus Cl2, 2AgBr presence of sunlight 2Ag plus Br2. This all the examples for decomposition reaction. If the reaction will be asked in the full marks, in the 5 marks, you have to write short about the electrolysis. First write decomposition reactions in the short electrolysis and give the reactions for AgCl and AgBr. What will be studied now? What will be completed now? How to balance the chemical equation. You don't write again and again all the question, but if you have to some queries in question you write it again one times twice, so you have to clear about it and you get the full marks for it. So don't write again and again, but learn by heart, it's most important. Example for the balancing equation: two reactions, first decomposition reaction and first combination reactions, and then decomposition reaction. In decomposition reaction, two more questions can be occur: electrolysis of water and the formation of Ag with the help of AgCl and AgBr.